Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medium to earn money. First, understand that Medium offers a partner program where writers can monetize their articles. Your earnings are directly tied to the engagement of Medium members, specifically how long they spend reading your published stories. This system rewards quality and reader retention, so focus on creating compelling content that keeps people engaged from start to finish. It's a straightforward way to turn your writing into a source of income. To begin earning, you must first join the Medium Partner Program. The current requirements include having at least 100 followers and having published at least one story on the platform. Once you meet these criteria, you can easily enroll through your Medium account settings. It's a simple process that involves agreeing to the terms and linking a Stripe account for direct deposits. This ensures your earnings are paid out reliably each month, typically around the 10th of the month. Maximizing your earnings on Medium involves several key strategies. Firstly, publish consistently. Aim for at least 2 to 3 articles per week to keep your audience engaged. Secondly, focus on writing high-quality, in-depth content that provides real value to your readers. Thirdly, actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and building a loyal following. Finally, submit your best work to established Medium publications, which can significantly boost your story's visibility to thousands of potential readers. Understanding how your payments work is crucial for long-term success. Your earnings are primarily determined by the amount of time Medium members spend reading your stories. Payments are processed monthly, usually around the 10th day of each month, and deposited directly into your linked Stripe account. Remember, building a consistent income takes time and effort. Focus on creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and analyzing your performance to continually refine your strategy for sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.